Today, we're exploring Magento PWA development, a tool that makes online shopping easier and more efficient. Want to learn how it can improve your business and client satisfaction? Let's get started. It's a robust blend of web and mobile app features, delivering a high-performance app-like experience in your browser. Now, you might ask if this is the future of e-commerce. We believe yes. Magento PWA-enabled e-commerce provides immediate access even on slow connections and eliminates the need to download from an app store. So, how does this benefit your business? For store owners, Magento PWA technology can optimize your store for mobile use. It delivers lightning-fast load times, offline access, and improved SEO and performance, essential for business growth. The Magento PWA development process involves 7 crucial points, from discovery and prototyping to post-release support. The first step is discovery and preparation. Then comes prototyping, web design development, creating the Magento PWA, integrations, assurance quality, and post-release support. In terms of custom Magento PWA development, you can create a PWA storefront and key Magento PWA UX/UI design principles. Advanced Magento PWA features and integration include service workers and push notifications, offline functionality, and server-side rendering. However, Magento PWA development comes with challenges and potential pitfalls, such as neglecting performance optimization, using resources inefficiently, and ignoring SEO best practices. In conclusion, Magento PWA development boosts the success of online retail, improves customer satisfaction, and drives sales. So that's all about Magento PWA and how it's shaping the e-commerce scene. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more insights and updates. Remember, evolving with technology is key to Magento retail success, so stay tuned and keep exploring with us.